어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 going 이불 속에서 going은 언제나 너에게 going
What's wrong, Mey? How come you look so confused?
I want to go for all us. But my money? Only 10,000. I have this much money.
I have this much money. I have this much money.
We have 30,000 rupiah.
Yesterday, I was just scrolling TikTok and I found this video. How interesting is that?
Especially because it's low budget.
I agree. Let's go shopping, guys.
Let's
go!
So, what we buy is
1 plastic tofu, 1 dan wrapper,
2 eggs,
leek, seasoning flour,
flavoring,
pepper powder, chili sauce. So guys, a total of
29,000
rupiah.
Put the tofu in a container and mash it. Crack and add the eggs to the tofu mixture. Chop leek and mix into the mixture. Add the seasoning and seasonings flour. Mix all the ingredients until completely mixed.
Wrap the finished dough in wooden skin, shape according to taste. We recommend shaping them like roast for full ripeness. Turn on the stove and heat the oil.
Add and fry the tofu dumplings over medium heat. Fry until golden brown. Remove and drain. Arrange the tofu dumplings and add sauce to taste. Serve while warm.
Hello guys! Now we will review this snack! Okay. Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers!
So yummy!
Yummy, yummy! Crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside.
Especially with the sauce.
Yep.
We hope this can be ideal for those of you who want to eat delicious snack on a low budget.
Okay, thank you for watching and
Bye-bye.